Sunny, 33 years old. Once the village beauty, but now here I am, helpless. For a long years trapped in this dark room. Started because of my father's selfishness. He wanted me, his only daughter, to marry a wealthy man who he believed would raise his status. "14 years ago, my long black hair used to blow beautifully, but now it's tangled and neglected. The village beauty they used to enter is now just useless." That evening, Satan, the man I dreamed of marrying, came to my house with his family to propose. But my father immediately turned him away. "Please, Dad, accept Sajan's proposal."
"No, I won't allow you to be Sajan's wife. Now, leave my house. Poor families like yours have no business dreaming about my daughter."
After that rejection, it's because my heart was torn apart. My father's belief that a husband marrying another husband would bring bad luck curse. My relationship with Satan, just like that.
My daughter will marry a successful man, someone who has status and respect, not like Sajan.
I'm scared. What people say is true. I remember Mrs. Arthur once said, "One girl with a strong proposal will only end more so." Those words made me more insane. The way just my soul just kept growing like a candle on one thing.
Sorry. No wonder you didn't have a husband yet. Stop sitting in the doorway. That's bad luck for unmarried girls.
According to local beliefs in my village in Lombok, I fought